Greetings, tech enthusiasts. I'm Pietro, a seasoned IT aficionado with a robust background as a sysadmin. Today, I'm thrilled to share my remarkable experience with Stellar Repair for Exchange, a game changer in the world of Exchange server recovery. Picture this: Exchange Server 2013 encountered a catastrophic database corruption, throwing us into a tailspin. We managed to restore the virtual machine and began the arduous journey of manually recovering the Exchange database. However, just when we thought we were making progress, the database suffered another creeping corruption due to space constraints, leaving us stranded into a precarious situation. Fearful of potential downtime that could bring disaster, we embarked on a frenetic search for a reliable solution. Having prior experience with other Stellar software, we decided to give Stellar Repair for Exchange a try, opting for the demo mode. To our astonishment, all the emails, contacts, and calendar entries were intact, prompting us to swiftly secure the full license. With renewed determination, we initiated the recovery process by creating a Pristine database. To our delight, the recovery of Exchange mailboxes was a breeze. The intuitive interface and seamless recovery made the seemingly daunting task surprisingly easy to execute. In the end, I wholeheartedly recommend using Stellar Repair for Exchange. It emerged as our beacon of hope, delivering the only viewable solution that led us to a full recovery. The internal routines simply fell short in comparison, being intricate, difficult, and less user-friendly. It was indeed a storybook ending with this remarkable product, leaving us with a sense of triumph and satisfaction. In the realm of Exchange server recovery, Stellar Repair for Exchange is nothing short of stellar.